Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can check the monthly clock in clock out report of any user. So once logged in into the CRM, click on the reports. Under reports, go to field management. Under field management, click on user reports and then monthly field activity report. So once you click on this, it will show you the report of your field team user wise. Let's suppose currently it's showing a report of Harry Singh, and in calendar I can see that Harry Singh on 4th Feb, Harry Singh clocked in at this particular time and clocked out at this particular time, and he was active on a mobile app for these number of durations. And if I click on it, it will show you the detailed report of a store visits, if he has visited any route, and here clock in and clock out. To check a report of any other user, just click on here, select the name of a user, and it will start showing you the report of that particular person. Thank you.